Good morning, everyone. My name is CH Srinath. I am from CSC department, section G section. Subject is Web System Engineering. Today's today's topic about Human Portal A Reject React JS case study. This is topic and introduction about Human Portal. Human Portal A is a comprehensive web application designed to streamline human resource management. It leverages React JS to provide a dynamic and responsive user experience. The project aims to improve engagement and administrative efficiency. Human Portal is a uh, i- Human Portal a is a comprehensive web application designed to streamline, and it leverages React.js to provide a dynamic and responsive user experience. The project aims to improve employee engagement and administrative efficiency. This is the introduction about Human Portal A. And next one is project objectives. The primary goal was to develop a scalable and maintainable for front-end interface, enhancing real-time data updates and seamless navigation were key objectives. The portal was intended to integrate smoothly with existing backend systems and APIs. The project objectives is the primary goals was to develop a scalable and maintainable for front-end interface and enhancing real-time also, and it data updates and seamless navigation. The portal was intended to integrate smoothly with existing backend systems and APIs. This is the project objectives. And next one is technology stack. React.js server has the core framework for building the user interface. Additional tools included Redux for state management and Axios for API calls. And the application was styled using CSS modules and material UI components for consistency. The technology stack is React.js and served has the core framework for building the user interface. Additional tools included Redux for state management and Axios for API calls also. And this application was styled using CSS modules and material UI components for consistency. This is a full stack React.js and ASP.NET also. This core product for developers monitoring platform case study. This is the technology stack. And next one is design and user experience. The UI was designed with user-centric principles to ensure uh, of use. The components were modular to facilitate and reusability and quick updates. This responsive design was prioritized to support access from desktops and mobile devices. This is the UI was the design and with user-centric and principles to ensure case of use, and these components were modular to facilitate reusability and quick updates also. This responsive design was prioritized to support access from desktops and mobile devices. This is the wireframes. This is the wireframes and usability testing, layout, research, visual design also. This is UX user experience and UI user interface. This is user stories and branding persons. This is the design and user experience. Next one is implementation challenges. Implementation challenges is nothing but the managing complex state across multiple components required carefully planning and integrating third-party APIs introduced challenges with synchronous data handling and ensuring performance optimization for large data sets was a critical concern. The managing complex state across multiple components it requires carefully planning and ensuring performance optimization for large data sets was a critical concern and it integrating third party APIs introduced challenges with synchronous and data handling. This is the implementation challenges. And next one is core features. Core feature is nothing but the employee profiles with editable detailing and role assignments. A leave management system with real-time approval workflows. This performance tracking and reporting dashboards for management review. This core features is leave management and system with real-time approval workflows, and it is performance tracking and reporting dashboards for management review. And it is also employee profiles with editable details and role assignments. This is the core features. This is about employee interaction profile details, name, ID, role. Uh, this is the example for the core feature. What is that means? Employee ID, username, role, report to, name, email, status, shift. This is the details of the employee, and it is the date of birth, material status, city, state, zip code, work phone, and personal email. This is the employee introduction, profile details, name, ID, role, and next one is testing and deployment. Unit testing was conducted using Jest and React testing library to ensure reliability. Continuous integration, deployment, CI/CD pipelines automated the release process, and deployment was handled on cloud platforms like AWS for scalability and uptime. This unit testing was conducted using Jest and React testing library to ensure component reliability, and this deployment was handled on cloud platforms like AWS for scalability and uptime. Continuous integration and deployment CI/CD pipelines automated the release process. This is the testing and deployment. And next one is outcomes and benefits. The portal significantly reduced administrative processing time, and this user feedback indicated improved usability and satisfaction. This scalable architecture allows for future feature expansion with minimal disruption. This portal significantly reduced administrative processing time, and it user feedback indicated improved usability and satisfaction. This scalable architecture allows for future feature expansion with a minimal disruption. This is the outcomes and benefits. And next one is lessons learned and best practices. Modular component design enhances maintainability and team collaboration. This early integration of testing minimizes bugs and improves code quality. And this is clear documentation and consistent coding standards facilitate and onboarding new team members. This is lesson learned and best practices. The early integration of testing minimizes bugs and improves code quality also. And last one is conclusion. And future directions is human portal a successfully demonstrates the power of React.js in enterprise applications. Future plans include integrating AI driven analytics and mobile app sports. Continued user feedback will guide interactive iterative improvements and feature enhancements. This employee downside, this is the example of future directions. Employee downsizing at in 2020. Conclusion: the case talks about the restricting in individual laughed by Oyo Rooms. Oyo has a part of its new strategic objectives for 2020, which included employee downsizing. The employee downsizing at Oyo Rooms in 2020. The conclusion part of the rise of Oyo Rooms in that as the country is going to increase the demand of the hotels as compared to the competitors. And online case study also conclusion of Oyo Rooms case study. This is the conclusion of the future direction and reference is the React.js official documentation in 2023. Thank you.